All right, class. Now, as our final section, we're going to talk about yawning. But before I explain what it is, I'd like to know what your thoughts are. Allison, go ahead.
I thought it was just something we did when our breath was kind of stinky, and so it aired out our mouth.
Okay, not quite, but nice try. Megan, do you have any thoughts?
I honestly just do it to show you that I'm bored.
Megan, always a troublemaker. Well, yawning is an involuntary wide opening of the mouth with maximal widening of the jaw, long and deep air inhalation through the mouth and nose, followed by slow expiration. It results in an increased amount of air in the lungs. A yawn consists of 3 phases. To start, it is an active gaping of the jaw with inhalation, a brief period of apnea and peak muscle contraction, followed by a passive closure of the jaw. Yawning lasts, on average, about 4 to 7 seconds.
So why are we learning about yawning?
What are you doing? I'm shooting a basketball, but I'm not really good.
Let's see. Okay. I actually have some advice for you. It's some weird sports advice you probably haven't heard before.
Okay.
But have you ever tried yawning before you perform any sports activity?
No.
Really?
Does that make you more tired?
No. So it actually wakes up your brain, and research has found that it improves sports performance. You should try it.
Okay.
Let's see. If you just think about yawning, you'll yawn.
Okay. All right. Okay.
See? It works!
Wow! Yawning! It's commonly known that people will yawn the most in the morning and at night. But what most people assume about yawning is that it's only related to being tired. However, after yawning, we become more alert.
She in one of our classes.
Oh yeah, that's, oh shoot, what's her name? I don't remember.
I don't either.
Hey, I heard yawning is actually really good for memory recall.
Really?
You should try that, yeah. It's Mariah.
You're so right!
Yeah.
Wow! Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm just like really stressed because I have like 5 finals and 2 papers.
I just learned something in one of my classes. Apparently, yawning helps lower stress. And also, it can release dopamine in your brain, which helps for memory recall. I think which would help you do better on your tests. I think you should try that.
Okay.
How do you feel?
I feel a little better.
Oh, good.
A little less, I feel like,
Let's go study.
okay.
Woo! It is steamy in here. I'm so hot. Like I just need to cool down my body.
Well, I tell you what, you should try yawning.
Really?
Yeah, it's useful in thermal regulation and helps cool your brain down.
I thought that was just like for like if I'm tired, if I just want to go to bed.
It has more uses.
Worth a shot?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay.
How do you feel?
Well, you know, I feel my body cooling. I don't got goosebumps quite, but definitely chilling out.
Nice.
Feel.
So, guys, I was reading this article about yawning, and it says that it's spontaneous and contagious. The 2 top reasons are boredom and drowsiness, and that's why we yawn.
Huh. Weird.
Yeah.
Jeez, all this talk about yawning, like, oh boy.
But anyway, it's used to communicate, evidently.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so interesting.
Uh-huh. And like, it was used for early humans to avoid being attacked by predators.
Oh, weird. And it says that contagion yawning indicates empathy. If you yawn and I yawn, we secretly are synced, and I understand you.
Oh my goodness, guys. I think we're all in sync.
All right, guys, now that we're done, I'd like to review a little bit. So what did you guys learn? Megan, go ahead.
Well, I learned that yawning is contagious and spontaneous.
Okay, good.
I learned that it stimulates alertness and concentration.
It also optimizes brain activity and metabolism.
And it improves cognitive function.
And it increases memory recall.
Lowers stress.
And it's known to enhance athletic skills.
Also, it increases empathy and social awareness.
Wow, nice job, guys. Hey, just remember to study hard for our final, and you guys are dismissed.
Woo!